It's happened. Elon Musk has finally taken the wraps off Tesla's most advanced humanoid robot to date, the Tesla Bot Gen 3. And the biggest shock of all? This thing isn't just a concept anymore. It's walking, lifting, sorting, and ready for a full 10-hour work shift on a single charge. Yes, 10 hours. That's a game changer. For years, Tesla fans have been teased with glimpses of Optimus, Tesla's robotic prototype. From the awkward, clunky steps of the first model to last year's slightly improved version, many doubted this project would go anywhere fast. But now, in 2025, Tesla has unveiled a fully functional Gen 3 prototype that not only walks and balances smoothly, but also features powerful new internals that make it suitable for real-world deployment. In this video, we're breaking down exactly what makes Gen 3 different, how Tesla managed to give it an all-day battery, and what this means for the future of automation and labor as we know it. Let's start with the core of the upgrade, the battery. Tesla Bot Gen 3 is powered by a custom-designed 5 kilowatt-hour battery pack located in its torso. This pack uses a scaled-down version of Tesla's revolutionary 4680 battery cells, the same ones used in their newest EVs, but optimized for robotics. This isn't just a random power pack. It's built to handle sustained discharge, high efficiency, and thermal stability, allowing the robot to operate for a full 10 hours, comparable to a human shift. Most other humanoid robots on the market max out at just 1 to 2 hours before needing to recharge. The Tesla Bot's pack also supports extremely fast charging. In fact, Elon Musk says Gen 3 can recharge fully in under 10 minutes, making it more efficient than even a Tesla car. That's right, a full recharge in less time than it takes to microwave your lunch. And all this power comes in a sleek, humanoid frame. No bulky packs, no trailing cords. Gen 3 is built to be mobile and autonomous, without being tied down by limited range or cumbersome charging requirements. This is the moment when robotics truly starts to scale. Tesla has solved one of the biggest problems in humanoid design, endurance. And they've done it without compromising on form or mobility. But the real magic isn't just how long it can last. It's what it can do during those 10 hours. Coming up next, how Tesla Bot Gen 3 is learning to work, how its hands mimic human dexterity, and why Elon Musk says this could be more important than the Model 3. So, what can Gen 3 actually do during that 10-hour shift? Let's talk about its body. The Gen 3 Tesla Bot has undergone major physical upgrades compared to the Gen 2 model. It's taller, leaner, and more human-like. Its frame is built using lightweight alloys and advanced polymers designed for both durability and flexibility. One of the most significant changes is in the robot's hands. Tesla engineered Gen 3's hands with 11 degrees of freedom, allowing for individual finger control, object manipulation, and fine motor tasks. In demos, it has picked up delicate objects like eggs without breaking them, sorted packages, and operated basic tools. These hands aren't just robotic grippers. They're designed to replicate the dexterity of human hands. That makes the bot capable of doing everything from folding clothes to performing precise movements on a factory line. The feet and legs have also been upgraded. With improved balance algorithms and more powerful actuators, Gen 3 can now walk at up to 10 kilometers per hour and navigate uneven terrain. It's no longer limited to carefully staged environments. And the motion itself? It's smooth. We're not talking about the jerky mechanical movement you expect from a robot. Gen 3 moves with a surprising level of fluidity and purpose. The updated actuators are liquid-cooled, allowing it to handle repetitive motions and heavy loads without overheating. Tesla has also implemented enhanced situational awareness. Gen 3 uses a full suite of visual sensors and cameras to detect obstacles, understand its environment, and make real-time adjustments as it works. So what kind of work will Gen 3 be doing? Tesla's plan is to begin deploying the robot in their own gigafactories, handling repetitive or dangerous tasks such as moving inventory, assisting in assembly, and running diagnostics. But the use cases extend far beyond the factory floor. Retail environments, warehouses, hospitals, hotels, elder care facilities, even private homes. Gen 3 has the potential to assist with tasks like lifting, sorting, delivering, or even just helping someone out of bed. In short, Tesla isn't just building a robot, they're building a workforce. Next up, we're diving into how Tesla's AI brain powers all this behavior, and how Gen 3 learns, adapts, and thinks on the job. So how does Gen 3 know what to do? That's where Tesla's AI comes in. At its core, the Tesla bot is powered by the same neural network architecture that runs Tesla's full self-driving system. It sees the world through multiple high-definition cameras and interprets that visual data using advanced computer vision algorithms. That allows the bot to detect objects, avoid obstacles, and move safely through dynamic environments. But it's not just about sensing, it's about learning. Gen 3 features imitation learning, which means it can watch a human perform a task and then replicate it. During one demo, an engineer showed the robot how to pick up and sort different colored blocks. Within minutes, the bot was completing the task independently, without being manually programmed. This kind of real-time learning is what sets Tesla apart from traditional robotics companies. Most robots today rely on rigid programming. Tesla's approach mimics the way humans learn, by watching, adjusting, and repeating. And it goes even deeper. The robot is also integrated with Tesla's conversational AI model, known as Grok. That means it can understand simple verbal commands and will eventually be able to engage in basic two-way conversation. Imagine asking your Tesla bot to go grab a tool or help lift a heavy box, and it just does it. The long-term vision is staggering. Elon Musk has said repeatedly that Optimus, Tesla's humanoid robot, could one day be more important than the entire Tesla car business. That's because while the EV market is massive, the global labor market is even bigger. There are tens of millions of unfilled jobs in manufacturing, elder care, logistics, and food service. Tesla believes the bot can help solve that shortage at scale. And with each robot learning faster, getting cheaper to build, and becoming more capable with every software update, the future Musk envisions could arrive a lot sooner than we think. But what about the risks? Coming up next, the concerns around safety, job replacement, and what happens when robots are everywhere. While the potential of Tesla bot Gen 3 is massive, so are the concerns. First and foremost is safety. What happens if a robot malfunctions on the job? Could it drop something heavy, injure someone, or misinterpret a voice command? Tesla says they're building multiple fail-safes into the design, including real-time monitoring, physical override systems, object classification boundaries, and task-specific restrictions. The robot's AI will be constrained by Tesla's behavioral models, but it's still operating in the real world, a world filled with unpredictable situations. A warehouse bot that slips on a spill, a home bot that mistakes a pet for a toy, or a factory bot that doesn't recognize human error in its environment. These are all situations that Tesla's systems will have to anticipate and solve in real time. But even if those safeguards work as promised, that only solves one half of the equation. The bigger, more societal concern is economic. What happens when robots can do most manual jobs better, faster, and cheaper than humans? We're not talking about a few machines in factories, we're talking about a potential workforce of millions of humanoid robots, operating 24/7, never calling in sick, never needing breaks, and capable of doing physically demanding labor across nearly every industry. Think about warehouse workers, janitors, fast food employees, elder care providers, shelf stockers, delivery drivers. If even a fraction of those roles can be automated at scale, what happens to the job market? Elon Musk has said he believes universal basic income will become necessary. That's a concept where the government provides every citizen with a baseline income, regardless of employment, to offset automation's impact. It's a controversial solution, but one that's gaining traction among tech leaders. Critics argue that relying on UBI without significant societal planning could lead to widespread economic imbalance, loss of purpose for millions of people, and further wealth inequality as robot-owning companies become even more powerful. And then there's the philosophical angle. Do we want to live in a world where machines care for our elderly, cook our food, or assist in hospitals? Some see it as inevitable progress. Others see it as the loss of human connection in places we need it most. Public opinion on Gen 3 is split. Some people are amazed, seeing it as a marvel of engineering. Others are deeply skeptical, worried that we're sleepwalking into a future where humans are outpaced, outperformed, and out of work. Still, there's no denying the momentum behind it. Tesla has the infrastructure, capital, and ambition to do what no other robotics company has done: scale a humanoid robot to mass production and mass deployment. Gen 3 isn't a science experiment. It's walking today, working today. And Elon Musk believes it could change the world faster than we think. Whether that future is utopia or dystopia may depend on the choices we make next. So, would you welcome a Tesla bot into your life? Would you trust it around your family or in your workplace? Let us know what you think in the comments below. And if you want to stay on the edge of every Tesla breakthrough, cars, robots, and AI, subscribe to Tesla Uncovered and hit that bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.